Educational purposes only.
Welcome to the complete course of Darkweb for hackers. In this course, we will systematically go through 4 modules, one by one with practicality. Each module will be consisting of bonus methods as well. Let's start with our module 1. In our first module, we will be completely setting up everything that is required for our course. I will be using a Kali Linux virtual machine throughout the course. The first thing to do is we will be using this command to update our system packages. Once we have done that, we will be installing something that is called the OpenVPN. To install the OpenVPN, you just type this command in your terminal, sudo apt install openvpn-y. Once you have done that, it will download the sudo OpenVPN for you. Now it is time for us to configure one thing that is called the proxy chains. To configure the proxy chains, you just type this command in your terminal, that is sudo nano etc proxy chains 4.config. Once you have opened up the config file, you will be seeing a hashtag, or you can say a comment in this dynamic chain. You just remove this hashtag, you scroll down, and this strict chain will be uncommented. You comment this, you scroll down again, and then there will be a proxy_DNS. You uncomment that as well, so it will be like this. You just uncomment this, then you scroll down in the end and you will see something that is called the SOX 4. You change that SOX 4 to SOX 5, so it will be like this for you. You just backspace and you do the SOX 5. You press Ctrl+O, enter, and Ctrl+X. We have now configured our proxy chains. Now the thing left is installing the Tor browser. To install the Tor browser, the simple thing is we are going to be using this sudo apt install Tor browser launcher -y. Once we have done that, we have installed the Tor browser launcher. To launch the browser launcher, you just type this here. You just enter on this and you will be seeing this right here. You just click here. It will be saying you to install it. You click here and it will install the Tor browser for you. Now it is time for us to configure the VPN. We already installed the OpenVPN. Now it is time for us to download the configuration file of the OpenVPN. You go onto this website, VPN book. You scroll, let me just show you from the previously. You go onto this website, you click here on the get free VPN access, you scroll down, you click on the OpenVPN. Once the OpenVPN has been clicked, you download a configuration file. I will be selecting this Germany, and I'm going to be selecting the protocol, the UDP. Now simply we are going to be downloading this .ovpn file. Once it has done downloading, I will rename this to 1. I am going to open the terminal right here, and then we are going to run the VPN by this. See this very carefully. You just type there sudo openvpn -config and the name of the configuration file you named. Okay, so now it is asking us for the username. To get the username, you open the browser, you just click here on the copy, you go back to the terminal again, you press Ctrl+Shift+V, enter. Now it's asking us for the auth password. To get the auth password, you just copy this password right here into your terminal and you just Ctrl+Shift+V, press enter, and now the VPN has been connected. As in the previous module, we learned how to set up our utility. In this module, we will learn how to host the websites and how to index them over the Tor network. The process is very simple. I'm going to go back into my Kali Linux virtual machine and I'm going to go to this browser. The thing is, you see this onion share. Now depending upon your computer, if you're on the Windows, you can download the exe file. If you're on the Mac OS, you can download it as well. If you're on the Linux process is a little bit complicated. Simply you just click on this learn more and it will open up this onion share for you. The thing is, first of all, you are going to go and install the Flatpak. You just click on here instructions to install the Flatpak. You open this and then you will be greeted with this. So Kali Linux is a Debian, so I'm going to click on the Debian. What you are going to do in this, you just copy this command, paste it into your terminal, you go down, you add the Flathub repository in your terminal as well. You copy this command and you paste it as well. Now basically what you are going to do is then you are going to download this file. Once you click on download, it will download for you, and how to run it is installing it is basically you install it through the Flatpak. You just type there Flatpak and you type there install and the name of this, whatever this is, okay. basically I was running in many errors because my ISP is blocking some Tor network activity. So the thing is, once you have installed it, you will basically have this onion share. Okay, this is basically what you are going to do is you are going to click here on the connect to Tor. Once you connect to the Tor, you will be greeted with this type of interface. So basically you will have some kind of interface where it will allow you to have like a chat room. So you are just going to click on the chat and it's going to open up a chat room for you, and it's going to give you an onion link. As for the file hosting, as for hosting the websites, temporarily it will also right about here it will show you a option where you can add your HTML static website, and it's going to host the website over the Tor network. And now it is time to learn how we can index the website. Basically you see these two search engines. This one is Torch and this one is Ahmia. The thing is, this one is not it is like censored, and this one, the Torch one, is uncensored. Now how to host the website on this Ahmia? It is basically simple. Let me just go back to the Kali Linux. I'm going to website or add hidden. Just type this, okay, Ahmia add website. You are going to click on this first link, and the thing is, once you click on this, it will give you a URL, or you can say a box, where you can input the URL of the .onion link and just click on the search. What it's going to do is, for example, let me just type there this dot something like that. So, okay, let me just type this here. I'm going to click on the search. What it's going to do is, once you click on the search, it will automatically add the website for you. This is basically how you index your website on the Ahmia. Now for the Torch, it is very simple in this case. Let me just open up this first. The thing is, on the Torch, it basically works on a thing called this snapshot. Now what even is this snapshot? Basically think think of a forum 123, forum 123 .onion link. Basically the thing is that it takes a screenshot of what is on the site. You can say a URL. It basically takes a screenshot of what's on the website, and it saves the information so people can find it in search. Basically this is how it indexes the website on the Torch. And if the website is old, Torch may still show the old version of the website until it's. If you wanna make real income with AI powered ethical hacking with the practical best methods, see the top link in the comment section below.